Have you ever been bitten by a dog? It must have been a terrifying and painful experience. In fact, there are dogs that look very cute on the outside, but they have an extremely strong bite force, which can even be deadly. The following video outlines our list of 30 dogs with the strongest jaw strength. To make it easier for you to imagine how strong these animals are, the human bite force is about 160 psi, pounds per square inch, equivalent to 11 kilograms per centimeter squared. With that power, our jaws can crush chestnut shells quite easily. And that concludes today's video. We can see that dogs are loyal and lovable, but are still powerful animals that need to be treated right. Please be a responsible owner, train and care for your pet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe to Hubdata. See you in the next video.